Okay, so yep. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is TNT Sunrise, and today is 2019, July 9th, and welcome to this week's webinar. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to cover will be sterling. Okay, so as we can see today, sterling has a huge drop. Okay, to the lowest point, 1.2439. Okay, and previously we have our buy of the sterling over here, and very honestly speaking, we are stop loss hunt by the last week non-farm payroll by this week, right? And then we kept another buy from the after the week was formed and captured some points from 1.25 to 1.2540. And then today it has a huge down, and in daily chart it shows inside bar breakdown, all right? Okay, and but I want to highlight to you guys that in 4-hour chart, if you look left, okay, it is very closely to a very strong support, which is here. Okay, which is here, this part. Okay, so I'm going to just to highlight this zone for you guys because it is really important. As you can see, okay, the price has been consolidating within this area, and that is a huge move from this point. So this is a very strong support from here. Okay, so let's just check what's the price action over this zone. Okay, over this zone. So yeah, it not quite not yet really hit, but that is really the lowest part. All right, so I do believe that the sterling will not have too much room for the drop. Okay, and pay attention for 1.2430. That will be a very important area for you to look at. And in this today's drop, that we actually can identify this ABCD patterns, if you can see here, and that is what I published in the group. Okay, so we do have this potential ABCD patterns that are coming almost finished, and then it goes to the inverse Fibonacci 1.618. Okay, so and we have a very nice reversal patterns here. That is this inside bar, and immediately we goes in, and now we are in money. Okay, so if you haven't trade sterling yet, I think this could be a very profitable trade if you want to take this reversal. Okay, so just to get ready to buy the sterling when the retest 1.2460 and ready to put your stop loss below the 1.2439. Okay, and we are ready to at least here at this broken structure, and then from the ABCD move, okay, we may even see the price ready to 618 as well, or maybe more to the 86, which is the previous this structure. Okay, so if you measure the risk reward ratio here, okay, I think yeah, it's good to long the sterling because it will give you a 1.1 to 4.54 reward and risk ratio. Okay, and in the 4-hour chart, let's see from the other view. Okay, note that the sterling has been formed a big triangle from here. Okay, as you can see here, this is a very big triangle, right? Okay, and the triangle broken and retest. Okay, broken and retest, and then fall down, and we have this very specific this pivot. Okay, so this from this pivot, let's draw a line. Okay, so we just use the trend line. Okay, extended. Okay, and we draw a line from here to here, and you surprisingly see that it actually becomes the lower part of the support, and today just hit. And from the 4-hour chart, now okay, we can see the candles already breaks new high. You see, it's higher than the previous one, right? But not yet engulfing, because engulfing candle needs to be closed outside. All right, so just get ready after the 4-hour chart. We still have a 2 hour and 39 minutes for it to form the candle. So if the 4-hour chart form an engulfing, that is pretty much a reversal. All right. I do think that, yeah, do you find this interesting? Yeah, because we measure from this point, okay, and we draw a line, okay. And what else we can draw is we can draw the downtrend line from here to here. All right, and we will see that it's actually formed a wedge or descending triangle whatsoever. Okay, so it is possible for the price to reverse from here and at least to go touch this part. All right, if they can close above 1.2520, and it will also go to here. So the bounce could be quite strong, and I think the long-term target is still the same in the 1.2661. Okay, and then you can also use the Fibonacci level for their sterling, because the recent downtrend is too much and now it's ready for reversal. So in the minimally is 0.382 or 0.618, and pay attention to here. Okay, the 618 matches with the neckline here. So yeah, let's do it. All right, so anyone want to buy the sterling, regardless of the the news or the regardless of those fears, but you just need to follow me and just get it. All right, it will give a quite good reward. Okay, so that's the first thing I want to bring here. Okay, so on the next move, let's go to the gold. All right, the gold looks like put a double top here. Okay, and we do have a very nice profit from last week, because when I say this webinar, remember last webinar I said there's a potential cypher pattern here, right? Anyone remember this? I think Nick has done a very good job, right? Nick has actually spot for this cypher pattern, and he really pulls the trigger. Right, congratulations, and you made it. Okay, it's really nice, really nice. Okay, all the way from 1434 to 1386. That is, beautiful. 500 pips. Okay, so this is a cypher pattern that we mentioned last week, and today we have of course, in non-farm payroll, I said we could buy from here, and if you buy from 1395, you can also earn 100 pips. Okay, and then we find our inside bar here, okay, and inside bar breakdown. And now let's put the 89 EMA together, and you will find a very interesting scenario happens. Okay, so let me just put the 8 and 89 EMA here. Wow, it's calculating. All right, okay, so here, guys, look at here. The gold has first time closed below 89 EMA. Anyone see that? Do you agree? Do you agree? It's, after so long the rally, so big the rally, right? Now the first time it has a real red candle that falls below 89 EMA, right? And now it's pulling back. Okay, it's pulling back, and it's pulling back both for the EMA and for the structure here, which I mentioned in the group. Okay, so if the structure can hold, which means the gold failed to make a higher high than this one, than the original this red candle, right? And we are okay for a short. Okay, let's do a short of gold, because it will be have another tranche of downside movement. And remember, in my last webinar, I said, okay, if the gold can break 1380, it will drop to 1350 or 1360, because here within this bar, there's nothing here. There's no orders here. Okay, buyers has already used up all the energy. Okay, exhausted, and now it failed to maintain above the 89 EMA, and looks like a trend is going to change. Right? How do I use the 8 EMA? Yeah, it's just using the 8 EMA for quick, fast EMA, and 89 for long-term support. And if you found the 8 cross the 889, it actually tells you it changed the trend, right? So it actually gives us this site to short gold here. Okay, so all you need to do is put your stop loss above 1397. Okay, and aim. The first target will be 1383. Second target will be 1363, something like that. Okay, it would be quite beautiful move if the gold did actually rotate down. Okay, let's move on to dollar index. Okay, the dollar index, okay, is rallied all the way to the FOMC meeting here. All right, and note that it actually has a neckline here, so it again have some pressure, here, but it may break 97.77. It may break, right, because we have our potential cypher patterns here, okay, and also the dollar index has break this trend line, okay, break this downtrend channel. So we need to be careful to short the DXY because it may still have another rally, and despite the fundamental side, people are are expecting the FOMC to the Fed is going to cut the rate. However, the dollar is still the strongest currency in the world. It's still the #1 currency in the world. All right. Maybe it would be better to use stop loss according to IB for gold. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, that would be good. You can use the inside bar for the gold to take your stop loss. That would be good. And note that there's a inside the bar breakup for the DXY. So this means momentum, right? Momentum. Okay, go for the 4-hour chart. I don't really see much resistance here. So it might just stop the DXY for a while, and it may still goes up because the euro is facing a trouble. Okay, here is what I feel. Okay, you can see here the euro tries very hard and break new high, right? And we do have enjoyed a very nice rally from this point to this point. Remember, okay, but it breaks the 89 EMA. However, it should hold here. It should hold here, but it failed. You see the point? You see the point? How do you know when it break a neckline or when it will just reverse? Yeah, because you check the momentum. You check the momentum because this neckline has been already used for once. So people who want to short already short from here. And for the second time it comes up, right? The chances that this place is going to hold is getting small because there are less orders left in this area. Okay, and just like I said, break the downtrend line, remember? So means it may goes up, and this is a inside the bar breaks up. So the momentum is high, momentum is strong. That's why I said the neckline may not hold. So now you understand the point? We have strong reasons to support our views because we trade what we see. You see, this is the second time that it may test the structure, right? Do you see the trend line was broken? The channel was broken? Do you see the inside bar breaks up? You see 3 things that tells me, okay, be careful to short the dollar because the neckline this time is not going to hold. All right. Okay, so the euro. Okay, I'm no longer bullish of euro at this moment. All right, and I understand some of you might trade this 2618. All right, I do agree with you guys. You can try to find the 618 to buy. However, did you see there's isn't much support from 618, right? Isn't much support, right? So and this trend line has been broken. Okay, and if you calculate the Fibonacci extension, we find that cypher pattern is coming here. Okay, maybe the euro will drop more, maybe. All right, so just hand up, don't buy the euro so quick. Okay, check your price action first. It may come to here. The euro may come to test 1.1150 again. Understand? Okay, so euro have some, downside room, unless it breaks the downtrend from this point. Which means the 1.1180 cannot be broken. If this point was broken, right, don't buy euro. Wait here. Okay, or you may consider to short the euro from the pullback here. Okay, short from here, 1.1274, and aim for another sell. All right, and look at the dollar yen. Wow, that's beautiful move. Okay, the dollar yen really rallied very well from 107 after this pin bar plus this engulfing candle, right? Okay, so it actually reversed, and as I said, the dollar yen is likely to touch 109. It looks like they're only like maybe 20 pips for that. Okay, So from forward chart, what we can see here, the trend has already changed. We can see here the 8 EMA has already, break, made a golden cross here. Okay. Right, and this high is higher than the previous one. Okay. But do pay attention that it may form ABCD patterns, but this time the ABCD patterns is not ask you to short from the completion point. Just to tell you that, okay, get some profit when it hits to 109.27. Okay, get some profit from here and wait for a pullback to buy it again. That's my view for dollar yen. Okay, long term, I'm still bullish on dollar yen. Okay, because it's really in a very, very low place. And it's easy for the dollar yen to go up to at least 618. Okay, 618, which means here 110.25. Okay. So since dollar yen is coming up, maybe the gold will drop. That's the correlation. Okay. Good. Let's move on. Okay. Aussie is the same thing. See, Aussie didn't fail to break the 89 EMA. Okay. It tried once, tried twice, and formed the pin bar, and then this engulfing candle comes. And today, thanks for Nick, he actually supports this inside the bar breaks down. Right. Very nice shot. Right, Nick. Very good job. All right, that's what I call trade what you see. Okay, trade what you see, and now you already have a very nice profit, right? Do take some partial profit first, right? Because look left, there's a gap here, okay, and the 618 is, it's just very, very near to you. So take some profit, ready for a bounce, okay, ready for a bounce and sell it one more time, okay, sell it one more time. EV dollar. It looks like it's the same, like a double top, and then inside the bar breaks down. Okay, so yeah, maybe we want to take this momentum to short Kiwi to maybe 0.65 again. Okay, dollar Canadian. All right, it actually completes this ABCD patterns, right? Completed, and now we can see here from last non-farm payroll, a very strong rally occurred and formed by our inside bar breaks up. So today all the commodity currencies have an inside bar, right? You can also trade this dollar CAD. I think it's good. In forward chart, I don't know, did you guys trade the 618 pullback after you see a very strong rally from here and trade the 618 pullback, stop loss below the low, and now you are having a very nice return. Okay. Look at the oil. Okay, the oil have some rally from 57, and now the oil is coming back to the same structure here. So I think it's okay to short oil from 58.50, short from here. Okay, stop loss above the previous high here, above this pin. Okay, so take your time to create your selling orders slowly, and watch for the price actions. Check for the 2618. Or maybe a double top formation at this zone. Okay. So get ready to short oil if it actually gives you this. Right? Two try failed, and you short. You short from the neckline. Okay, pull back and sell. That's the oil. All right. All right, comes to the Bitcoin, right? That's very, very nice play that I published in the Trading View. If you read my content here carefully, right? You can see here the seller, buyer, compression. So after two times compression, and we decide to trade the volatilities because it's very easy for the price to make a strong rally or strong fall after two times of compression, and that's why I said we can buy stop at 112,620, right? So yeah, just one click. The moment it breaks 11620, here you go, $1,000 is in your pocket. And now it actually already, reached 90% of our target. So just take some profit or close them all. That's easy money, right? It's really easy money. And I said, yeah, let's close it. Okay. All right. So what's next? Okay, S&P. Okay, S&P have a very nice drop after non-farm payroll, and I said we can short the pullback, right? If you remember, okay, that's beautiful, right? And now it has turned around. It turned around, right? It really breaks up. So S&P, don't chase. Okay, wait for the pullback and buy. Wait for the pullback and buy. It may have another rally to 618 at least. Okay, you may have to 618, which is 2984, right? 2984, somewhere here. So trying to capture this potential move. That's your target. That's your task. Okay, find a pullback to buy the S&P and aim to 984. Questions? If no more questions, I think, yeah, probably we're going to end here because I think we have already covered most of the products. Sterling yen, yeah, sterling yen, good to buy. You see here, 1 hour chart, it actually gives you an insight about breaks up, same as sterling dollar, right? And for sterling yen, remember the dollar yen is going up, so sterling yen is not likely to make a new low. All right, so just take the whole move of this uptrend, of this bullish move here, and you measure from the Fibonacci, and that's the place that we're going to buy, right? Somewhere about 618, and now 618 really hold, right? So it may have another rally, it may have another rally all the way to give us an ABCD target to 136.50, which is this level. Okay, which is this level. So that's your target to enjoy this upside momentum. And another scenario that since the sterling dollar we want to buy, and the dollar yen still won't have a chance to rally, so the sterling yen may form this bearish bat and tells you the price may go up to 137.50, and if really goes to there, we have another 200 pips move. So which trade you like the best, or you trade them all? If you can't trade them all, how do you prioritize? So 2% risk rule, trading $3 pair is really 6% on the same trade. What do you mean by trading $3 pair is really 6%? Okay, yeah. Of course, then you need to see, okay, the euro, we don't have any trade, right? Right now, we only have sterling trade. Sterling that we are going to buy. Okay, Aussie is a sell. Dollar yen is a buy. Gold is a sell. Okay, so you need to check the correlation. Okay, dollar CAD, okay, is a buy. Oil is a sell. Right? You can take all of them and allocate maybe 1% of the risk. You don't need to allocate 2%. Right? If you want to take all of them, of course, you want to make sure that you don't lose them all, right? But check the correlation. Sterling dollar buy, we are shorting dollar. Okay, let me just put here, dollar, DXY. What are the direction here? DXY. If we buy sterling, we are sell DXY. If we Aussie sell, we are buying DXY. Gold sell, dollar yen buy, we are buy. Gold sell, we are still buy. Dollar CAD, we are still buy. Oil sell is a buy. Okay, yeah. So maybe you can consider to keep 1 sell and 2 buy, right? And check which one has the most powerful directions. I think gold have a large room to drop. Okay, dollar yen not so much. So maybe you don't want to trade dollar yen. Anyway, dollar yen we want to buy the pullback. Remember, buy the pullback, not now, not now. Only the sterling we want to buy the now. Aussie sell is sell the high. Okay, so that's make difference. Okay, so buy low and sell high. Can you imagine that if the Aussie rally to a high place, right? If the Aussie US dollar gives us a rally and we sell, the moment we sell, what will the sterling perform? Okay, right? We'll buy the dollar, right? But if Aussie dollar rallies, which means dollar is decreasing and the sterling, yeah, it's up. We can take profit from the sterling and short Aussie. All right, so that's that's a part you need to plan your trade. Okay, but don't forget each trade has its own stop loss, so you don't really need to worry about that. Okay, because you cannot have all of them wrong, because we are not buying the dollar all the time. Okay, we are selling dollar because of sterling. We are buying. All these sell high, dollar yen buy the low, gold sell now, dollar CAD buy the pullback, oil sell high. I'm asking you guys to sell high, not sell now. Ethereum, okay. ETH is very similar to Bitcoin. Okay, very similar. So the long-term neckline is here. As long as the ETH can sustain above 300, it's a buy. Sterling Aussie. Okay, for the Sterling Aussie, you need to really need to take some profit when the price trying second time but cannot break the new low, which is the last non-farm period. This time, you take some profit, and now it's pulling back to the neckline again. All right. So just wait for the Sterling Aussie to come to 1.8055, and you may take a sell, because that is where the 89 EMA comes. Okay. So use the confluence for you to take the trade. Dollar CAD weekly isn't bearish. All right. So here, okay, it looks like a bearish patterns, right? However, you need to mark this level, this 1.3068 level, because it looks like it is breaking new low, right? Right. However, it's strong rally here. So since this point is still hold, okay, because we are only going to use closed below to make sure it is a true generating breakout. All right, understand? So I think the dollar Canadian is not yet so bearish. Okay, it may ranging, okay, ranging from 1.36 to 1.33 from here. This is a place. All right, there are a lot of people who sold dollar Canadian from this place, so I think it's ranging. So want to buy, it's okay, because from the price action, see now, okay, guys, what do you have? Trust the patterns. Okay, what's this? It's a 4-hour chart inside the bar breaks up, right? So why not just go for a buy? You, regardless of the weekly patterns, because if you want to short the weekly patterns, you still need to want to short the pullback, right? You want to sell from here. Okay, you don't want to sell from here. Okay, so yeah, whether you want to take the trade is really depending. Do you have the profit room or not? And do you have a very nice, very closed stop loss, right? See, if you buy from here, and what if the dollar Canadian rally to 1.3240? Well, that's a big win, right? That is almost 1.521. Then why not? Once weekly see red, we can short. Yeah, come on. If you want to short, really, do you want to short from here? Short with the, is the pullback finished? No, because technically speaking, will the dollar Canadian rally to 618 before it goes down again? So I want to sell from here. You want to take the sell so quick, so early, or you want to sell from here? Sell high, right? Yeah. So that's a lot of people made mistakes. Okay, people see a downtrend. Yeah, downtrend. Let's short. Boom, short from the bottom, and one pullback, they all die. They just cut loss, and then once they cut loss, the price just goes down quickly again. All right. So remember, buy low, sell high. I know you are going to short, but just ask you, where are you going to enter? Are you going to enter here, or you rather want to sell the high? That really makes difference, right? All right. So yeah, that's all for today. So I think nothing much we need to talk. It's just let's check the gold. As the gold goes down, yeah, the gold is falling, right? Did you short? Looks good. Looks good. It's still below the 89 EMA. Look at the sterling. Okay, sterling, yeah, it's coming. It's coming. So get ready. Get ready to buy from the pullback again. All right, and what if it formed another inside bar, breaks up, right? You don't know. Just trade what you see. That's the best part. Okay. All right. So last but not least, right? We all know that we just have a very nice seminars or course, 2 days course from the June, and now the other recordings are available. So if you want to learn, if you want to check for receive the latest, the videos, the courseworks, right? Just remember to sign up the course, and I'm going to add all to you, and you receive all the beautiful contents that we are covering all for the past 2 days. Okay? It actually are complete all of my trading system, and it really works very well. Okay, and I can see the progress of Nick. Right, he really earned a lot of money from Sterling Aussie, and right now he's doing very good job. They consistently publish some charts in the group, and to encourage discussion, encourage the good trade setups, right? And that's how we actually become better trader, right? So just get ready to sign up for the course and receive all the videos, and you can learn from your home and can join our group, right? So that's all for today. Thanks for coming. See you next time. Bye bye.